I hope you've seen me winning the iPhone 4 stackers. You can look it up on YouTube. It's probably already be on YouTube. I'm probably gonna put it on YouTube. But anyway, I went back today and I won a camcorder. And it's pretty cool. It's got, for the YouTube people out there, it's got a free and instant access to upload videos to YouTube. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, it's not that great of camcorder, but it's cool. It's got a 4x digital zoom, I guess. Well, yeah, here it is. I got it at a Stackers in Rehoboth Beach, Delaware. Yeah, on the boardwalk. So, thanks.